I'd like to read to you from the Study Bible, Romans 10:14. How, then, can they call the one that they have not believed in? And how can they believe in the one of whom they have not heard? And how can they hear without someone preaching to them? And how can they preach unless they are sent? But not all the Israelites accepted the good news. For Isaiah says, Lord, who has believed our message? Consequently, faint becomes from hearing the message, and the message is heard through the word of Christ. But I ask, did they not hear? Of course they did. Guys, believe in the Lord and study the Bible day by day. Have a pleasant Sunday. Cheers for now.